Hi, it's 4 p.m. exactly. I'm right now in my yacht in Orlando. Maybe too cloudy day. Exactly. This is too much better. Rainy days than November than December. You know, I think exactly. It's rainy, and right now, very oof, rushly. That is not too much can be eat. It's a parking lot, parking garage. Maybe I don't know, but California is bigger, Texas is bigger, Illinois is bigger. Maybe Florida is maybe bigger. I don't say. Yes, is our talking about. This is houses and you know, I in my house. This is some bullshit. Talking right now. I go to making a prank. To making a video prank, okay? To making a video prank to